Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching today. So, let me show you how I made the mermaid coasters. These were really fun to make. This is a video from my archives. It's a very old video, so the lighting wasn't that good and everything, but you know what? I wanted to share this because these are one of my favorite coasters that I made. So I started by pouring some resin in the center of the molds towards the middle, and I added some seashell pieces that were colored. I got them just like that from a craft store, I think from Michael's. Not really sure. It's a very old video. I don't remember this, but I have a stack of them with me, and I just used a little candy stick to position them as I wanted. And for the mermaid side, I started mixing up some glitters in the rest of the resin. I used some blues and pinks and greens, some silver holographic, and in the end, you'll also see me add a little more of a blue holographic glitter. I love glitters. I think it makes everything better. So here I'm just adding that glitter mix in the clear resin into the mold to fill up the rest of the space. Fill up the mold all the way so that you don't have to do a flood coat again on the back side. This is usually what I use as the back, and then you can see me demolding here and then flip them to see the front, and then I top coat the front. So to avoid top coating on both sides, you just fill them up all the way. Make sure you don't spill out anything, then it's extra work of sanding and everything. So here you can see the light is a little better, and after demolding, look how sparkly these coasters are. Oh, see, here it is. I did overspill a little bit and I think I torched it. Again, since this is a very old video, I used the torch over the molds when I didn't know better. And now I don't use the torch while using the silicone molds because I know they'll stick. So what I do is I use embossing heat gun very lightly, or I use alcohol spray to get rid of the bubbles. It takes care of most of the bubbles anyway. And I use good resin, KS resin. So if you mix it right, you tend to get very less bubbles in it as it is. So that's not a big concern. Here you can see how pretty these coasters look. All the different colors in it with the seashells. Oh my god, I just love it. I hope you like them too. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please write down in the comments. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.